Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down the tech that's supposed to make life easier and explain why it sometimes completely fails. Your car is connected, your phone has full signal, but Hyundai Bluelink refuses to work. Remote start fails, vehicle status won't update, commands don't go through. The app freezes, logs you out, or just spins endlessly. In 2026, connected vehicles are supposed to be seamless, yet Bluelink issues continue to frustrate thousands of drivers. So what's actually causing the problem? And more importantly, how do you fix it? I decided to break this down because Bluelink problems aren't random. Most users assume the app itself is broken, but in reality, the issues usually come from account sync errors, outdated vehicle software, corrupted app data, or back-end server conflicts. I analyzed the most common failure points reported by Hyundai owners and tested the fixes that consistently work in 2026. Hyundai Bluelink promises real-time vehicle data, remote commands, security alerts, and seamless smartphone integration. When it works, it's incredibly convenient, but users report endless loading screens, silent command failures, vehicle not responding errors, and complete connection loss, even with stable internet. The first thing to check is account synchronization. Bluelink sessions often expire without clearly notifying the user. Logging out, fully closing the app, and logging back in forces a fresh authentication with Hyundai's servers. Next is app compatibility. Older app versions often fail after back-end updates. Updating Bluelink from the official App Store fixes a surprising number of issues. Cached data corruption is another major cause. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app entirely resets local data that can block commands. Vehicle side updates also matter. If your Hyundai hasn't received recent infotainment or telematics updates, Bluelink may partially connect or fail entirely. And finally, server outages do happen. During maintenance or regional disruptions, the app may appear broken, even when there's nothing wrong on your end. Not every issue has an instant fix. Expired Bluelink subscriptions silently disable features. Weak cellular coverage at the vehicle's location can block commands. And error messages are often vague, making troubleshooting harder than it should be. So how do you fix Hyundai Bluelink not working in 2026? In most cases, it comes down to re-authentication, app updates, clearing corrupted data, and ensuring vehicle software is up to date. When everything is properly synced, Bluelink works reliably, but it requires maintenance most users don't realize. For more clear, practical fixes for apps, vehicles, and everyday tech problems, follow GigaBits, subscribe, and stay tuned for more step-by-step solutions.